Okay, so we're just going to create a new virtual machine wizard for the purpose of this installation process, because I had already tried loading it previously. So we're going to create R2. So we're going in. 512 megabytes of RAM is the base memory. To create a new hard disk. Right, so we're creating a VirtualBox disk image. So we're going to create that. We're going to choose dynamically allocated, so that if we are to load any new stuff onto the virtual machine itself, the hard drive will expand automatically. However, it will not shrink, as it says here, when the space is free. Okay. The allocated space, or the recommended amount, is 25 gigabytes, so we're going to stay with that. As you can see here, we can go up to 2 terabytes of storage space, but we're going to go up to 25. Anything less than 25 will not be able to store, will not be able to install, so we're going to use it at that amount. We're going to create our virtual machine. Okay. So we're going to go into the settings, and as I said, well, this just gives you basic information about it. We're going into the network settings, right? So it's on NAT adapter, and the adapter type is set to Intel Pro MT Desktop. We're going to use that adapter type, and we're going to power on our virtual machine and load Windows Server 2008 R2. Welcome to First Run Wizard. Well, if you don't know by now, this is an old version of VirtualBox. Unfortunately, the new versions seem to be giving a bit of problems. Okay, so let's see if we can install. We're going to try to locate the file. Alright, Windows Server, right? I found the ISO image. Well, I'm currently using Magic ISO as my virtual drive tool. There we go. Right, next. Yes, I have. So we're going to start this. Okay. It's loading Windows. Alright, Windows Server 2008 R2. So, we're going to choose English. Install now. And setup is starting. Excellent. Okay, so we're going to choose the enterprise version. That apparently is the best version. The standard version comes without specific features. So this is the complete installation. So we're going to go to enter next. I'm going to choose accept the license terms. Well, we're going to choose custom. Okay, we're not going to upgrade. We're going to choose custom. We're going to install a new copy of Windows because we do not have previously good. Right, so we're going to partition our drives. A partition is incredibly important because it gives you option to upgrade your Windows without losing your information. So on one partition, you'll be able to install your operating system, and on the other partition, you can store your applications, your software, your video games, your documents, your files, whatever you choose. And so in the event that you need to upgrade Windows or reload new Windows, or even add a different, use a different partition and add Windows, you will not lose any information on any of the drives. So we're going to create a partition just to show that we can. Okay, so we're going to go 12. Going to go that and see. Alright. Alright, so we're going to go with 12.3 gigs as the primary. We're going to install our operating system on partition 2. We can't install on partition 1 because it's system reserved. So we're going to use partition 2 to install our operating system. That will be the primary partition. That's going to store all your operating system files and all of that. And this 2 can operating this partition will unallocated space will be used for um, to store your other information, your applications and stuff like that. Okay, so it's expanding Windows. This is usually a lengthy process, takes a while. Okay, it's still at 0%. I'm going to pause the video and we return when it's near completion. Alright, it's currently at 95%. Welcome back. Right, expanding Windows files is completed 100%. The installation of the features, the updates, and then the completion of Windows will begin next. Yeah, there we go. The final part, the completing of the installation, tends to take about a minute or two because they have to restart about twice. So I'm going to see it restarting about twice. Yeah. Restarting. Well, I'm just gonna let it run down to the well. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Nah. Alright, it's updating the registry settings. It's a different process from the version 1 of the Super 2008, which is the R1. Usually at this stage you see the it says it's preparing your computer. So wonder if this process will be lengthier, the restart process. Just as mysterious as Set up the starting services. You can see what's going on. You need to narrate. And back to the screen. Still completing the installation. Hopefully at the next restart we can, well, will be the final restart, hopefully. You see something looks like it's about to happen. Right, setup is restarting my computer. Yes. Right, be not afraid of the black screen. It's just preparing your preparing your system. Okay, so don't be alarmed if you see this for a couple of seconds, maybe a minute. It's so long. Beautiful. Okay, my eyes, I cannot take my eyes off of this glowing thing. And go to the password changing screen. Right. It's changing my it's been changed. Logging on. It's preparing the desktop. What will we see? Yay! Alright, so as you can see here, folks, we have officially and successfully installed Windows Server 2008 version 2 or R2. This is the desktop for the server, the start menu. Well, my name is administrator. The Internet Explorer, command prompt, and notepad. Let's look at the, well, these are the program files, well, startup files. No regular Windows setup. It's a few changes. Windows PowerShell. And there's the Server Manager. There's the screen. Initial configuration tasks. Yeah, these are. This is shows up at the start of every server. Well, every time you power on the Server 2008, it will show this unless you choose the option not to show that window. Anyway, folks, until next time, we've successfully completed installation of Server 2008 R2. I hope to see you all soon again. Goodbye.